This is where we'll come back to tabletop position with the knees underneath the hips. So walk the knees back, reset with the hands. Soft bend in the right elbow, spread the right fingertips. Left fingertips are either going to come to the palm, to the temple, or to palm to the back of the head. So your shoulder will kind of tell you what's the best fit. And then when you're ready, inhale, we open up through the left wing this time, and then exhale, elbow in line with the shoulder, reset. Inhale, we open. Exhale, reset. Inhale, open. Exhale, reset. Inhale, open. Exhale. Exhale, rotate. One more time, inhale, reach it up. Exhale, rotate, then we're gonna stay here for 3 breaths. Find what feels good with the left hand. I like to use like my left hand kind of pressing into the earth to help both deepen the stretch but also provide a little stability. Breathe. And after your 3rd breath, we'll inhale in, use the exhale to slowly guide yourself all the way back.